Alam mo ba na ang kapatid ng isang DOH Undersecretary ay isang government contractor? Meet DOH Undersecretary Glenn Matthew Bagaw and his brother Ernie na may-ari ng EGB Construction. Sounds familiar? Well, isa ang kumpanyang ito sa mga top flood control contractors na pinangalanan ni President Marcos. Pero in this report, ang pag-uusapan natin ay ang mga health infrastructure projects ng EGB at ang issue ng conflict of interest. Wala pang isang taon matapos ma-appoint na Yusek si Bagaw, noong 2025, nakakuha ang kumpanya ng kanyang kapatid ng higit 140 million na halaga ng kontrata para gumawa ng mga health centers at ospital. Located ito sa mga areas na sakop ni Yusek Bagaw, kagaya ng Isabela. Just this year, 2026, nagkaroon ng additional role si Yusek Bagaw bilang Head ng Health Facilities Enhancement Program Management Office. Ito yung opisinang responsable para sa pag-develop, pagpaplano at pag-execute ng mga health infrastructure projects. Bago ma-appoint si Glenn bilang Yusek, nagsilbi siyang Head ng Cagayan Valley Medical Center, isang government hospital. Siya rin ay naglingkod bilang Head ng mga government medical facilities sa Isabela at during that time, nakakuha rin ng mga health infra contracts ang EGB. We also spotted a 2020 contract for a COVID-19 facility na nakuha ng EGB. This contract is interesting since the names of the Bagaw brothers appeared in the same paper. This was awarded by DPWH Regional Office sa EGB. Base sa kontrata, nagkaroon ng Memorandum of Agreement sa pagitan ng CVMC at DPWH Region 2 dahil nga sa emergency health situation nung panahon na yon. Ang presyo ng project, 28 million. What makes this contract interesting is its nature. Isa itong negotiated procurement. Ibig sabihin, a government agency can directly negotiate a contract sa isang capable supplier para mapabilis yung proseso. While this type of procurement is legitimate and necessary kapag may emergency situation kagaya ng COVID-19 pandemic. Pero base sa abogado na nakausap namin, the personal relationship of Glenn and Ernie is a red flag in this contract. Para kay Attorney Irene Aguila, ito ay issue ng conflict of interest. Sa ilalim ng batas, bawal magkaroon ng direct or indirect financial interest ang mga undersecretaries gaya ni Yusek Bagaw. We tried reaching out to his office in EGB pero wala pa rin silang response as of recording this video. We also found that EGB also had joint ventures with other politico contractor families in Ilocos to build some government infrastructures. Andyan ang Solid North Construction at Nortec Builders ng mga Salazar ng Piding, Ilocos Norte. Kasama rin ang Dragon 12 Builders and Construction Supply na pagmamay-ari ng kapatid ni Ilagan City Mayor J. Diaz. Yusek Bagaw adds to our growing list of government officials with ties to contractors. And there could be more hidden somewhere, waiting to be uncovered. I'm Patrick Cruz. If you have tips or want more investigative stories like this, email us at investigative@rappler.com.